We have a 19 Sierra 1500 for under 30 grand. It's got around 80,000 miles. It does have some cosmetic defects. So right here you can see on the bumper it's chipped. It's got a scrape right there, along with some other things. And then we've got a 15 Sierra for under 20 grand for a pickup. Now, some paint is going to be missing. Up here, it's bubbling in places and everything like that. So they are not in perfect condition. But a pickup for under 30 grand or under 20 grand, it's pretty hard to come across. So if you just need something that runs, you're not concerned about the quality necessarily, these would be solid options for you.